Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the Maui Meta IMEI Tool and required USB drivers. This ensures communication. Once done, enable USB debugging and set the phone to EDL or diagnostic mode so the tool can access modem partitions. Make sure you note the COM port number shown in Device Manager and immediately back up the original IMEI and NVM. This preserves recovery options. These steps shorten later troubleshooting and prevent permanent data loss, so don't skip verification before proceeding. Now you load the DA, auth, and firmware files required by Maui Meta. The right files match your chipset and carrier. Next, select the target COM port and set baud rate and timeout values. This stabilizes the transfer. Enter the new IMEI carefully and use the tool's checksum or validation option to avoid corrupt entries. While writing, monitor logs for errors and pauses. If the process stalls, don't interrupt power. Instead, increase timeout and retry the single step, write to reduce risk. You now execute the IMEI write command and wait for the tool to finish its pass and verify routine. Verification confirms success, so don't skip it. Once verified, reboot the device and check the IMEI from settings or via the dialer to ensure network recognition. If it fails, try a different DA or auth file, reinstall drivers, or restore your backup NVM and IMEI. These recovery steps typically resolve corruption. Remember, careful file matching prevents most write failures, so recheck compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.